Today I'm going to show you how to import data into Asana. So there are a few different ways that you can actually import data into Asana. Now, it depends on what exactly you want to import and how you want to import it. First of all, on a very small scale, you can go into any one of your projects. I'm in content, calendar, management. I'm going to go over to the board over here, and you can see that if you click in any one of these cards, you can actually click on this over here. You can attach files. You'll be able to import data directly into this particular card. All right, so that's quick and that's easy. One of the other ways of doing this is if you are going to your profile picture on the top right hand side, clicking on it, going down to settings. If you now go to apps, you will be able to scroll down, go to see all apps. It'll open another window. This will be Asana's app store basically, and you can now click on, for example, Google Drive, and you can import data from Google Drive. Perhaps you can also use other apps like Microsoft Excel or Google Documents, whatever it is. Go ahead, click on the install button, and you will now have Google Drive synced with Asana. In this way, you can import all of the data from any one of those third-party apps. Now, one of the other ways of doing this, if you want to import a CSV file, is going over to the create button on the top left-hand side, clicking on project, over to the right-hand side and clicking on import. So here you want to offer a project name, so we're going to say import project, and here you are going to add the workspace that you would like to do this in, and now you are going to select a file to import from your device. I've got this form uploading right now. It's a PDF, and here you can say continue with AI Asana. Let's go ahead. Right, you're going to come in over here. You'll see on the left hand side, this is the data that's being pulled in. You can create a project from the overview section only. You can create whatever it is that you want. All you need to do is tell AI what to do. All right, and click on continue. Now this, of course, depending on how big the document is and how complex this is, will take some time to actually get done. But what you can see here is basically this project being imported and being created as a project within your Asana account. Let's go and click on create project. You can see it populating here, and you can see all of the different sections. This is actually the section that are within my document. There we go. 3 ways to import data into Asana.